Hello everyone, it's Phil from IONODES with you. In today's video we're unboxing the IONODES R200 secure display station. Now the R200 is our dual HDMI output secure display station model. Let's take a look inside the box and see what's in there. First off, obviously the unit itself, the IONODES R200. We've got a quick setup guide to help you get things underway. We've got a standard 75 100mm VESA mount. We've got the 19-volt power supply needed for the unit. We have a USB-C to HDMI adapter, which you will need for your secondary monitor. And finally, the mounting hardware for the VESA mount. The front of the ION-R200 boasts two USB 3 ports, which can be used to connect a mouse and keyboard, an audio input connector, as well as the power button. On the back of the unit, you'll find the power supply connector, a HDMI video output, a gigabit Ethernet port to connect to your network for IP camera access and for configuring the unit through a web browser, two more USB 3 ports, and finally a USB-C port for the HDMI adapter in order to connect a second monitor, allowing the dual monitor setup the ION-R200 was designed for. To get started, you only need a network cable and a HDMI cable to your surveillance monitor to configure the secure display station using the unit's IP in a web browser. You can also plug in a USB keyboard and mouse or combo directly on the SDS for configuration. With only a few cables to hook up, your dual monitor IONODES R200 secure display station has nothing complex to set up, and you'll be underway in very little time. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos like this one. We'll see you next time.